patch things up to supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom today is to patch things up. Usually to patch something means to do a quick short-term fix, a temporary fix, or a temporary repair on something. It might be on a thing, it might be on a relationship, and since we're focusing on relationships in this year's Your Goals annual challenge this month, I like to pick a relationship-related idiom that goes with the topic we're talking about today in the challenge for this group. And we talk about what does the idiom mean, where does it come from, and how might you use it to grow and build and supersize your business. Now we're talking about effective communication today, and often the things we need to patch up, the things we need to repair, the things we need to fix are relationships in our business. Business is all about relationships and an exchange of value. And in order to exchange value, we have to have effective communication, meaning what we're communicating to the people that we serve has to be of value to them and something that they want to hear, and presented in a way that they can digest and understand and decide, yes, they indeed do want to do business with us. So this idiom is one of those that there's not a clear etymology of it. It's not clear where it came from. Of course, the word patch comes from Middle English, so it's hundreds of years old, but the exact use and origin and when it was first used is not, at least according to the internet, clearly understood or clearly known. You know, no one person has said and attributed with saying patch things up, fix things. It just means to restore a relationship that's been damaged by a disagreement or a dispute. It means to fix something that's broken or injured. We have a umbrella. I just got a new umbrella for the deck this year. Got a new deck and a new umbrella. And the umbrella bases, one of them, you're supposed to fill them with water so that the umbrella doesn't blow over in the wind. Well, the umbrella's blown over a couple of times in the wind now because one of the bases, it's a 4-part base system, the water leaks out of it. It's got a hole in it. So my son-in-law patched it up, literally took one of those patch kits and patched it up. I would have just returned it to Amazon and said, hey, send us a new one because this one's not working and the umbrella is now damaged because it's fallen off the deck twice. Not that it's been open when it's super windy, but just a little bit of breeze would tip it right over because the base wasn't holding it. So we need to fix things. And guess what? Building and growing and supersizing your business, I don't know about you, but I have to fix something or patch something every single day in my business. That's what being an entrepreneur, owning a business, and creating something that makes an impact on the world is all about. It's about solving problems, not only for the people that you're here to serve, but in your organization as you set up and try and fix and improve different areas and aspects of your business. This idiom reminds me to sometimes realize we need to do short-term, patch things up, quick fixes, but we don't want to leave it at that and not go back when we have more time and make sure that we are implementing a longer-term, better solution versus just doing a quick fix. It's the whole long-term versus short-term implications of the decisions and the choices we make. It's why I think our businesses all need a problem-solving and decision-making tool and a process for handling the stuff that comes up. Number one, so we document it, so we learn from it. Number two, so we put in long-term root cause solutions, not just little band-aids on everything. Band-aids work great if you got a little bitty cut, but if you got a big wound, sometimes you got to go to the doctor and get it stitched up, right? Sometimes we have to make bigger changes in our processes and systems than just a little quick fix band-aid. Doesn't mean we don't solve problems immediately at the time, but we need to go back then and say, is that the best solution for this situation? Because if it came up once, chances are it's going to come up again, and we want to make sure that we have a way of dealing with it. So I have a process that I call the SOAP framework. That is my challenge, setback, any type of change that comes up. We follow the SOAP process and we make sure that we're picking and doing the best thing for our organization. That's it. Love this idiom. I like this idiom. I think it's important to patch things up and to fix things and keep moving forward and continuously improve. Love to know your thoughts on this particular idiom. Share in the comments below. Share how you can use it to grow and build and supersize your business. Have an awesome day, and I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow.